Hello everyone. This is Augustus from UB Website Tutorials. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how you can find past papers on the UP website. Probably most of you have spent money trying to buy past papers, but actually you can find those papers for free on the UB website. And um, you can also find some books. Instead of buying a book, if you trust yourself with a visual book, then you can find the book on the website for free. But not all books are available, so only a few. So this is what you gotta do for you to be able to access those. First of all, you have got to open ub.bw, open the website and try and find the library catalog. So it's gonna be loading for a few moments. What you're gonna do there, you're gonna have to scroll down until you reach the end. Okay, it's misbehaving here. Okay, you're going to find the library catalog. Okay, here's the library catalog, so you're gonna have to click there. It's gonna load for a few seconds again. Okay, there we go. So what you do here, do not avoid searching here and avoid searching here, but use the search bar over here. Once you have found the search bar, sometimes it may take some time for you to be able for it to appear, so just wait for it. Then when you are there, you're gonna have to type your keywords. Let's assume I'm doing first year Bachelor of Science General, and I want to find maybe um, physics or biology or any math. Okay, let me search. I believe Bachelor of Science General Math for first semester is math 111. So you're gonna have to type math 111. Oh, actually it's not math, it's math 111. Then maybe past papers and see what comes out here. It's loading. Okay, just a moment. Oh, I just hope it's not going to take forever. There you go. So here's your introductory to math exam paper. This is math 1-1. So you're gonna have to open there. It's going to like show you all the papers that are available. So they're from 2002 up to 2017. So now you'll be able to view the papers. Let's click on one of them. This is where you're gonna have to. It can be tricky for some people. Oh, okay. So you're gonna have to enter to enter your surname and initials, just like I did here. That's my surname and that's my initials. And then for the student ID part, this is the most tricky one. What you do there, you're gonna have to insert your student ID and input 01 at the end. This is more like a password thingy. So like I said, just your ID. Then after that, you're gonna need to input that 01 over there. Then you submit. For me, I had already saved the details, so this gives me an access again without having to enter the password and stuff. um this I think will be the question paper. Yeah, there we go. This is the question paper. I didn't have to pay for me to be able to see this question paper. So there you go. So one advice that I can give you here when searching for these things is you need the right code for a subject. For example, if I was to write math instead of math, I don't think I would be able to access these papers. Let's see what what would come out if I was to type math instead of math. Okay, this is taking longer. You see, now I do not have access. I cannot find them. It's very important for you to know the code for the subject that you want to find. So you might as well as search find books here. For example, I could just say I had forgotten the name. Okay, introductory to math. I just forgotten the name of the book, but I wanted to show you something. By the way, you can use this to find books that are in the library, like a book that is a physical book, because the okay, for example, this one is online. It means you can view it online, full text online, as you can see here. But I don't think this is a book; it's a journal. But for you to be able to find the right book, you're gonna have to know like the complete name of the book. Then that's when you'll be able to find the book that you wanted. So I think that will be today. That's all I had for you today. Thank you. Please tune in and subscribe, and watch the next tutorial. Thank you.